everyone, today I am going to show you how to make peanut rice. We'll see what are the ingredients needed for that. We need 1 kilo of basmati rice. I wash it and soak this for 20 minutes. And we need curry leaves, lemongrass, cardamom, clove and cinnamon. For temper, little onion need 25 grams of onion for temper and rampe. For decoration, we need half of this bell pepper. From this two, we must take half from this. And for deep frying, we need 50 grams of onion. And for temper, we need triangle shape. I cut into triangle shape. Dry chilies 7 to 8. We need 100 grams of peanuts, 100 grams of green peas, and triangle shape cut. I cut this one into triangle shape. 25 grams of onion. These are the ingredients we need for peanut rice. These are the ingredients we need for peanut rice. We'll see how to make that. First we'll make the rice. We'll temper the rice. We'll add the oil first. And we'll add the butter. Of the 45 grams extra margarine, half from that we are adding to the temper. We are adding to temper the rice. Now add lemongrass, curry leaves, rampe, cinnamon, cardamom, clove and onions and all. Now we'll add the rice to this. For this basmati rice, 1 cup of rice, so we must add 2 cups of water. Very careful when you are keeping water. 1 cup rice, for take 2 cups of water. Add salt. For your taste you add salt. I am adding for 1 cup for 1 teaspoon salt. We'll keep to boil this basmati rice. If you are using a rice cooker, you can close it and keep. Now I am using the gas now, that's why I am closing in halfway, otherwise it's coming out. Now we'll deep fry the onions. Here I took roasted peanuts. That's why I no need to deep fry the peanuts. This we have to deep fry the thinly cut onions only. Bell peppers and thinly cut fried onions we must use as decoration. Add the onions to the oil and deep fry it. Keep low flame and deep fry and take. This peanut fry is not taking too much time. It's very easy to make. Here it's becoming golden brown. Now I am going to take off these onions. Off the cooker and take out from the pan. And fry little curry leaves also. Without take the green color. Now enough will take. Keep put into the oil and keep in few seconds you take. Here see the rice was well cooked now. From like this from a fork. Now we'll temper and take. We'll keep a pan for temper. Keep a pan and add the butter to or margarine to the pan. Now we'll add the other ingredients. Keep a pan and heat the heat the butter and add the now add the onion, triangle shaped onion, and add the green peas. Add the green peas. Keep little green peas for decoration. And add the roasted peanuts, but don't add all. Keep little for decoration. And add the bell peppers, but don't add that ones all. Little keep for decoration. Now fried onions. So keep half for decoration and little add for this. Now add the rice. Add the rice and mix it well. The lemongrass is the main part of the and the peanut is the main part of the peanut rice. And mix it well. If you hard to mix at once all, here like this only coming. You see the color and the rice. This is the final look of the peanut rice. We'll serve it and see. Here's my tasty peanut rice and delicious, easy to make. Thank you for watching. Please share this video. Here I have